morning, my dear children. So many children messaged me that they are still finding it difficult to write numbers. So what I have done, I have made a small PowerPoint presentation. And today I am going to teach you how to write numbers from 101 to 400. Don't worry, I am not going to bore you, okay? It is done in such a manner that you will find it interesting and it will not be too long. So children, please watch this video till the end and you will be able to write all the numbers till 999 very easily after watching this video, and I promise you. So let's start. Let us start writing the numbers from 101. And remember, we will not call it 101. We will call it 101. 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. In the next column, we will start from 111. 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. In the next column, we will start from 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Next column, we will start from 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, and since after 39 we have 40, so after 139 we are going to have 140. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. After 150, we have 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159. After 59, we have 60. So after 159, we will have 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180. 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199. Now children, after 199, what should be the next number? In class 2, after 99, what did we write? We wrote 100. So after 199, we should write 200. After 99, we had written 100. So after 199, we should write 200. So this is the counting from 101 to 200. Now I am not going to write from 201 to 300. No, I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to show you that if you have to write from 201 to 300, you just have changed the hundreds place to 2. See, I will show you once again. So look at this slide. On this slide, we have counting from 101 to 200. Now I will change the slide and you will see that only the hundreds place digit will change. Okay, set your eyes on any one number. For example, 157. Now look at 157. When I change the slide, it became 257. And similarly, in all the numbers, the hundreds place digit has got changed. Okay, I'm going to do it again and show it to you. See, this slide has 101 to 200 and this slide has 201 to 300. The numbers are from 201 to 300. Please see carefully. At all hundreds place, the digit is 2. Now I will show you another slide where we have numbers from 301 to 400. And again you will see that only the hundreds place digit will change. Okay, let me show you. See, the hundreds place digit has got changed. Okay, now I'm going to show you the slide with numbers 201 to 300. See, now I will show you the slide with numbers 101 to 200. See. So in these three slides, the only difference is at hundreds place. Now I'm going to show this quickly to you. See? So children, it is very easy to write the numbers. So from 101 to 200, from 201 to 300, from 301 to 400, I have shown it to you. Now from 401 to 500 and so on, you can do it on your own. That's all for today, children. But you must practice writing numbers right from 1 to 1000. You may just write only 100 numbers in every sitting, but you must speak them loudly and write them simultaneously. This way, you will never make any mistake. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.